it's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
With Valentine's Day around the corner, ladies, straighten up because the category is love. We are going to be doing a Fashion Nova Valentine's Day special, okay? Today we are going to be trying on all these clothes. Might I add, this is not sponsored by Fashion Nova. Which Fashion Nova, if you are watching this, I would love for you guys to sponsor your girl because I love y'all, okay? But this video, I did buy all these clothes with my own money, and I decided that Valentine's Day is coming up, and let me show the girls what they can wear because this year, you're gonna have a date, period. I'm about to just start taking everything out of the bag so we could just kind of go through it. Let's do it. Before we get into the haul, if you are interested in how we achieve this beautiful pink makeup look, this was also Valentine's Day inspired. So if you are interested in seeing that, it's going to be linked down below in the description box. I know you guys probably would think this top was kind of cute too. This was actually from Shein. It's not in the haul, but so I will also link that down below in the description box if you decide that you wanted to get that. So this is the Samantha linen maxi. This dress is honestly super pretty. I got this dress in size medium. This dress is just really gorgeous. I think that it just looks so fun. So this is if you're going on a date or you're going like to Galentine's like in the daytime. Say you're going somewhere kind of next to the water, like on the beach, you know, like a waterfront restaurant, some type of brunch vibe. I feel like this dress is super duper gorgeous. Doesn't have any stretch to it, so keep that in mind. It's true to size. I am 5'7". It doesn't come all the way down on me, but I don't believe it's supposed to. Even on the model, it doesn't look like it goes all the way down. If I had to rate this dress though, I would rate it probably like a 6 out of 10, like a 5.5, 6 out of 10. It's not horrible if you style it properly. Like, I'm just throwing on these outfits in this video, but when you style this properly, I know it would get better. So this is the Sweet Like Honey Midi dress, and this dress is so beautiful. It's so sexy. I got this dress in size medium. The only downfall of this dress is the material. It's just kind of like that cotton, kind of like cheaper material, which is not horrible. Like, it's not like, oh my god, this is like so cheap, I hate it, but you can tell this looks like it's gonna fade. And just the material of this, it doesn't give like dinner date, you know what I mean? You can still wear it to a dinner date and dress it like that, but I feel like if it had more of a quality, it would look a little bit better. But besides that, I love how this dress looks. I love how it fits. If you have a little bit of a belly, it does show that, so I would recommend wearing this with like some spandex underneath, something like that's gonna give you like that shape compression, like a Skims or, you know, any kind of dupe like that. But this is honestly still very pretty. I really did like this dress. I thought this dress was gorgeous. I will say that I would rate this about an 8.3. I think it's still very gorgeous. I loved when I put it on. I felt like that girl. Next up, we have the Lily Rosaline dress, and I think that this dress is so pretty. This is a perfect dress to show after I showed you guys the previous red dress, because this is what I mean by quality. First of all, it's a beautiful blush pink, which matches my nails so perfectly, which I think is super cute. I think that this dress is perfect for a date night. This is perfect for a Galentine's. This dress could be worn in the daytime or the nighttime, and I genuinely think this dress is just really good to have as a woman in general. I feel like it looks really good. It shapes the body, it hugs the body very tight. If you do have a belly, it will show your belly, so I would recommend to wear this with some type of skim, some type of spandex, something like that. But this is super duper cute. I got this in size medium. I think that was a good size for me, but if I wore like the proper like compression, I think it would make me look really snatched, because this has that snatching kind of material to it. I'm gonna give this dress a 9.2. It's almost a 10. The only reason why it's not a 10 is because there's a different dress in here that I actually liked a little bit more, but besides that, this dress is still one of them ones, okay? Just subscribe to my channel, turn my post notifications on so you never miss a beat, you never miss an upload, okay? This is the Lisa Police shirt dress. I got this in size medium. This is a very pretty hot pink dress. Now, this is not really my type of style. It's not ugly. It's just for the occasion that we're trying to go to. I just feel like it's a little bit dressed down, but I wanted to throw this option in there for anybody that is just going to a brunch or going to lunch or going out with their girlfriends. They don't really know where they're going. They couldn't get reservations, so they want to do too much at the, well, you can never do too much, you know what I'm saying? You could never do too much. I would always rather to come overdressed and under, period. Like this dress is just a little bit more simplistic, but if, like I said with the very one of the other dresses, it's really nice. It just depends on where you're going. I'm just not crazy about it. It does have not really too much stretch, so definitely get your size. I wouldn't say size up, but it's supposed to look a little bit looser on you. But this dress is not bad at all. I can see me really dressing this up for real and styling it like that girl. I would give this dress a 7 out of 10. It's not ugly, it's not bad, it's just like for the vibes that we're going for, just not my girl. But this is my girl Paris. This life short mini dress, and this is such a beautiful dress. Date night approved. Galentine's. I honestly think it might be a little too much for Galentine's, but I can still see you pulling this off, and the girls are just everybody looking bad AF. First of all, the rose, because they better be bringing us flowers on this date for Valentine's Day, okay, period. I love like the frills of the dress. I just think it's so pretty. It looks so beautiful on the body. Also, it's a very comfortable dress. I do have a little bit of a belly, you know, I like to eat, so sometimes I don't care to wear something that is like I need the spandex or I need to suck it in all day. Like this is something I still want to keep it nice and tight, but it's like I feel comfortable. It's not tight, it's very loose fitting. If I had to rate this dress, I can't tell you anything that I don't like about it. I think it's very nice. I love the fabric on here. It's a beautiful color. It's just a really good dress. I can see this dress lasting very long, and I can see a lot of compliments with this dress. I love the details, how it like has those extra ruffles at the bottom. Just a really gorgeous dress, so I'm gonna give this dress a 10. This is called the Maribelle Corset Bubble Dress. And when I bought this dress, I was super duper excited to get this dress. I was like, oh yeah, like I just knew that this dress was so pretty. I feel like this dress, it is just so girly. It is just such a beautiful color. This is also a dress that you don't really have to worry too much about sucking it in, honestly, at all, because the top is a corset, so upper portion of your body a little bit more snatched, and then the bottom is just poofy, so girl, you ain't gotta suck your stomach in or nothing. I will say that this dress is very short. It's supposed to be like that, so it does feel like you're gonna be easily exposed. Like I just feel like I would not feel comfortable just wearing this with underwear at all, so I would recommend shorts with this dress. It would also have been cool if it already came like with shorts like built in. Also, you probably do need like a steamer or something, because it does come wrinkled, but I think that's just the material of this dress. I got this in a size medium. I'm wearing this for Valentine's Day, so I'm manifesting a date for Valentine's Day, and he is going to be picking me up in this, and he's just going to think I'm the prettiest girl in the world. Or if I, you know, if anything, I might wear this for Galentine's and then wear my red dress for Valentine's Day, the Paris Life dress. I don't know, because both of those outfits are beautiful. So I give this dress a 10 out of 10. I really love this outfit. I think it's so cute. It's so fun, and it's honestly different for me. I don't really dress like this too much. I'm not even a dress kind of girl. I'm more of a two-piece set kind of girl, so I'm loving this so freaking much. Okay guys, so my total for this whole entire haul was about $105. So basically $100 for all of those outfits. Always look out for some sales. You can get some good sales. I always shop in the sales section, and I just like, I knew I wanted to wear reds and pinks for Valentine's Day, so I just clicked the filters and I put red, pink, and then I also added white in there. I didn't really find a white dress that I liked on Fashion Nova right now, but at that time, this is the outfits that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am manifesting that you go out on a date this year. If you're not in a relationship, you get to feel beautiful, you get to have fun, and you get to look good while doing it and not spending too much money. Even for me, I hope, fingers crossed, that I go on a date this year. Last year I did not go on a date, and I don't know, for some reason it kind of hit me a little bit, but this year I'm open to whatever. If I go on a date this year, great. I'm kind of manifesting it, but if it doesn't happen, regardless, Valentine's Day is getting celebrated. So I was thinking about doing like a party at my house, but instead I think I might just do like a Galentine's with my girlfriend, and whatever I do, you guys will know, because I'm going to be vlogging it. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and comment down below this secret message. That is how I know you watch my videos all the way through and you are an official teammate, okay? I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.